Hi. Are you Erica?
I am. How can I help you?
So I was here the other night. I have a small vending company. These are charity boxes.
Okay.
Not really concerned about theft. I usually swap them out every 2 weeks. I'm here, the Korean place across the street, and the nail salon.
Okay.
Do you mind if I put my box here?
I'll try to find a spot for it. It'll probably fall off.
Oh,
But
yeah,
I'll try
not
to find
here.
a
I
spot
just
for
was-
it. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll find a spot for it and see what people think of it, and then
Yeah,
let you know when
absolutely.
you come back by again.
It's a pretty big success in other places, but
Is it? And then
yeah.
how does it work?
So what they
basically
do
they've
is,
taken it and
yeah, they take it
donate
and the money's right there. Again, I'm not so worried about theft because little kids' hands do go in there.
Yeah.
The markup is pretty decent. So
Right. Okay.
yeah,
So they're supposed to put $1 in for 3 or 50 cents for one.
exactly.
Okay.
Yep,
Sounds good.
I appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank you very much. So as you can see with that one, I just went in there, I talked to the manager and kind of set it up. So yeah, and then I just closed the deal right now. All right, bye.